This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm an experienced independent book publisher. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an inbound shipment in Amazon Vendor Central. Let's get started. We're in Amazon Vendor Central and we want to go to the shipments area. If you don't see the tab right here, go to the hamburger menu, upper left corner, select orders, and then select shipments. And you can also bookmark that so it's easier to find later on. When you come to this particular page, click the button that says create a prepaid ASN, and that stands for advanced shipping notification. And you'll come to this particular page. So a couple things that you need to understand here. First of all, I'm sending in a small parcel shipment. I'm a small seller. I'm not one of these gigantic Amazon Vendor Central vendors who sends in thousands of units at a time. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is where the selector says use web sheet workflow, I'm going to turn that off. And the reason is the web sheet workflow, that's really intended for, I think, bigger types of shipments. And so for small parcel shipments, which is what I'm doing right now, it's not necessary. The other thing you need to understand is you may see a whole big list of purchase orders that are still outstanding. In this case, I only have one purchase order. You can kind of unfold it to see what's there, and this is correct. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add purchase order to shipment. And basically at that point, I'm going to continue to step 2. It asks me, is it a small parcel shipment? Yes, it is. You can leave this alone. Continue to step 3. Okay, now in my parcel that I'm sending them, there's multiple ISBNs. There's actually 3 ISBNs. They're all in the same box. Make sure that you select mixed pack multi-SKU cartons. SKU stands for stock keeping unit, and for bookkeepers, this means ISBN. So there's 3 different ISBNs here. It's asking you, all right, so there's 100 of this particular ISBN in this purchase order, and it says units per carton. Now, if I had broken this up into multiple cartons, what I might do is I might do like 50 here, and then 25 here, and then 25 here. And that would be, and then I could select 2, which would mean that there are 2 boxes with this configuration. In this case, everything is going into the same box. There's not going to be more than one. There's not going to be more than one box that I'm sending in. So I've basically maxed it out for each of the purchase order, the amounts that I've confirmed, and then I'm going to click Confirm Pack Configuration. Okay. At this point, you'll be asked to enter the tracking ID. So whatever so before I actually came to this screen, I actually purchased the shipping externally. So I'm using UPS. I'm just going to paste in that UPS tracking number, and then I'm going to go to continue to step 4. So then it will say ship date, estimated delivery date. In my case, I'm shipping tomorrow. Estimated delivery date, I'm assuming it's going to take about a week because I'm shipping domestically. So I'll just max that out to, let's say, to Tuesday the 6th. I think it should get there by then. And then there's these other questions you can answer right there. I'm not using pallets, so I can leave that alone. The total estimated weight, I know how much that is because I just did the shipping for it. And then total estimated volume, I always just put in 1 or 2 cubic feet because usually there's relatively small boxes. And then carrier details, select the shipper that you're using. I'm using UPS. Make sure you don't select USPS, which is different. And then at that point, I'm going to confirm shipment. And it's going to go out. Oh, one other thing I need to do is I need to actually get the labels that go on the box. So I'm going to click on the shipment detail page, and it says there's a button here that says print carton labels, and print the carton labels, and then we'll be good to go. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.